Orcablue is a plug-and-play data platform for brands, offline and online brands. So, what does it offer? Basically, connect to your different sources and marketplaces, pull all the data, integrate and pull all the data, and transform and clean it and make it available for analytics. And on top of that, we provide standard metrics and reports and dashboards, and out of the box business insights that lets you turbocharge your way through data analytics. So these are different tools or plugins we have we have connector for, and these plugins will pull data from it on a regular schedule basis and make it available for analytics. So jumping straight into our demo. So this is a demo for a dummy D2C brand that is selling across multiple marketplaces and has warehouse across multiple regions. So for this dummy brand, we have orders data set. So you can see different metrics are standard metrics are available out of the box, right? And along with that, different attributes are also available for you to use, and inventory is also available. So metrics that are available for inventory are stock value, current stock quantity, days on hand, which is the stock coverage, and current stock quantity. So now along with this, all your product information, your marketplace information, your customer information, your warehouse information, everything is interconnected and is presented to you as a single unified model, right? So how do you start using this? For to start out with, what we provide is a set of reports and dashboards ready to use for business, right? So these reports and dashboards cover a range of business use cases. So, for example, sales and orders is a dashboard that we have, which provides at a glance a summary of your sales across multiple marketplaces and category and how you're performing generally. And this you can specify, like filter for a specific category or a marketplace or a brand or a particular time, and see the entire dashboard for that. Now this tells you about what are the different, like how many orders are made, what is the sales quantity, right, and different metrics of sales. Now here is the comparison with this month and last month and how the performance has been. Again, your different metrics like net sales, gross sales, your number of orders, and your returns and sales quantity split across product category. We have that here. Um, and now you have a trend line of how your sales has been, right, and how you have been performing, and you have here the split across marketplaces. So at a glance, it gives you, including the top 10 products by sales, and not just the top 10 products, but what are the different metrics, like how much each of this product SKU sell, what is the, how much returns it has had, what is the discount that has been offered on the sales for this SKU, what is the average 30-day sales, and current stock that is there for each of the SKU. All of that is available here. Now, we have quite a number of reports and dashboards out of the box that provides various insights into different use cases. So, for example, we saw sales and orders. Now, let's look at warehouse performance, right? So here you have different metrics about how your fulfillment are happening from different warehouses. You can select for a particular warehouse and check how that particular warehouse is performing, or you can see it across different warehouses too. So now different orders, how the fulfillment process has been happening, how effective it has been. Is there a variation between across categories in these fulfillment metrics, and how does it perform when it has to cater to different regions, right? So say for example, a warehouse in North India catering to a destination in probably East India might not be the most efficient way to go about doing it. So these would highlight those insights from here. Now now not just do you have these different reports and that are directly available for you to use, but all of these reports that you have are interactive first, And from these reports, you can dive down into the most detailed analysis and get to the data point you want. So, for example, here we are seeing the return quantity by product category. So not just is it interactive that it gives you more information and you can filter and everything, but you can also like drill through and find out more details. So now we just dived into the chart. You can dive into any of the chart in your dashboard right from here, open it directly. So when you drill through, now if you want to identify what constitutes to this, like what are the brands that are selling under this category. Now I can just directly go and find uh, so, for example, okay, brands are not available, subcategory that I want to see. So, these now if I add subcategory, now it will tell me what are the different subcategories that has contributed to this sales. Now, top wear is the highest. Now, I want to find out in top wear what are the top 10 SKUs, right? So, all I have to do is just add SKU here. Right now, I have SKU by sales from apparels, and I apply top by return quantity, top 10, top 100, how many ever I want, top 20, and add it. So now this will dynamically get me the top 10 SKUs for every subcategory in apparel. Okay. Now I want only for top wear, right? So that I can go and filter from here. So these are the top 10 SKUs for, uh, you know, top wear subcategory. Now I want to find out the product name. Right. So I can go to the table here. So I have the product name. Now I can also find out what are the order numbers that has come across that has made this SKU. So I can go till order numbers or the customer who has ordered and find out for these top 20 SKUs who are the customers who made the purchase. Right. So the order numbers are also have come. And I can also find out when each of these orders have were made. So not just do you have like a good out of the box template dashboards which offers different business insights directly, but you also have the ability within minutes to go till the detailed granular level. Directly using the interface, we were able to get down till the orders which made this top 10, 20 SKUs and what were the order dates for those orders, right? So we were able to get to this. So this is what is the power of the platform. This is not just does it give you a single glance at a glance look, but you are also able to get to the most detailed features, right? So now we saw the out of the box, and so this is sales and orders dashboard. And apart from that, we have different dashboards covering various business use cases. So, for example, we also have a warehouse performance dashboard that tells you, gives you at a glance how your warehouse has been performing, how your fulfillment has been performing, has been happening, days to dispatch, days to deliver, number of orders, number of captured, right? What are the pending orders that are there? What are the ready to dispatch package orders, right? And how fulfillment from each warehouse is happening to different cities. Is there any outlier that you want to actually probably these where to these cities, they're pretty high in terms of your days to deliver. So your average days to deliver is approximately 2 days, whereas for these particular cities, if you see, these are like 3 days or 2.8 days. Maybe you might want to see why that is happening, right? Or how each warehouse has been performing, right? So all of that information is available for you to glance and to play with. Now, apart from warehouse performance, we also have like customer analytics. So number of customers, right? You are talking. and product category by cities, who are the different customers, what is their phone number, how many orders they have ordered, right? How many items they have ordered, what is their total sales, what is their sales repeat purchase, what is their average order value. So all this information is available for you at glance easily. For example, another report is the top sellers report. So what are the top five products for all marketplaces based on quantity and based on sales, right? How each of that is split across every marketplace. So out of the box, these different reports and dashboards are available for the use. So apart from your, out of the box data that is there, out of the box reports and dashboards that are available, you can also get your questions answered from, using the search or using the interface. So for example, you want to find out the sales for last 25 days, you can just directly, type here sales for last 25 days and ask, right? Now this will fetch you the last 25 days sales. You want to see the daily trend. Go ahead and add the date, use the daily trend. Now you identified a peak here. Now I want to find out on this date, what were my top 50 products? Right? How do I go about that? How do I go about finding that out? So let me just get the products that got sold on this date first. So on this date, these are different products that got sold. Now I want to find the top 50 products from this. Now I've got the top 50 products. Now for this top 50 products on this date, what was my stock? So now I've got the top 50 products and its stock value on 21st April. So I can easily get from a simple sales for last 25 days to finding out what are the top 50 products and what was its stock value on that day, like in a matter of few minutes, right? So between the easy to use interface, plain English search, and our out of the box reports and dashboards that provide that cover various business use cases, we offer a ready to use data platform for online and offline brands.